DHI Global Medical Group was established in 1970 in Palo Alto, California by Konstantinos P. Yotis. Today, DHI is a world leader in the diagnosis, prevention and treatment of hair loss. With 75 centres in over 30 countries around the world and 50 years of experience, DHI have helped more than 250,000 men and women effectively deal with hair loss.
DHI was a company that intrigued me because they were going a different route about things. They'd patented their own device, they were doing it their way, there was no cutting involved. And when I met them initially, I just felt comfortable with them. I just had that feeling that I knew I was in safe hands.
I had a scar under my chin, and I was recommended by a plastic surgeon to come to DHI to help camouflage the scar.
I chose to have hair implantation because as a hairdresser, hair is my world, and just standing in front of the mirror all day as my hair started to gradually thin, it just really affected me and affected my confidence.
I chose DHI because a family member had been here before previously on a couple of occasions, and we were out for dinner. He could see that it was affecting my confidence, and he said just go along and have a chat, and to be honest they couldn't have been nicer.
DHI's mission is to contribute to the health and well-being of all patients suffering from hair loss and scalp disorders worldwide through research, education and innovative treatments. DHI's vision is to change the world through hair restoration. DHI's values are education, innovation, reliability, transparency, efficiency, care and faith in science. At the turn of the century, DHI were among the first to move forward from the harsh FUT strip technique and develop FUE transplantation. In the following years, DHI's relentless pursuit of improvement gathered pace with their introduction of direct hair implantation, a technique that transforms the hopes and expectations of their patients. DHI's technology is their product, and it is crucial because it puts them ahead of the competition, but it is not the whole picture. DHI's physicians, nurses and technicians are trained so they are best placed to deliver the technology effectively and with unparalleled service. DHI are responsible for many innovative techniques. DHI research and development has resulted in new patented equipment enabling implantation of hair follicles without the need to cut holes in the patient's scalp prior to implantation, resulting in faster healing and minimal scarring. This technique also allows DHI physicians to implant hair at all angles to match the patient's hair direction, resulting in a natural look. DHI's PRP, platelet-rich plasma treatment, can be an effective way to keep the scalp in the hair-growing anagen stage and also speeds up healing after implantation. PRP is produced using small amounts of blood from the patient. The platelet-rich plasma is separated from the blood and is injected into relevant areas on the scalp and the donor area, cutting down healing time and promoting new hair growth. DHI invests heavily in research year on year. Cutting-edge technology such as the development of a virtual reality program have been written specifically for training medical staff to use DHI's innovative patented techniques. Since 1970, DHI have been committed to research programs which are the lifeblood of innovation. In recent years, DHI's research and development has led to a broadening range of services, particularly in the areas of hair loss diagnosis and prevention. Effective, in-depth diagnosis can help us provide hair loss prevention advice for patients. This research has also identified and helped us create a suite of prevention therapies and products. DHI has the most effective and least intrusive extraction equipment and techniques, which are less traumatic for the skin and easier to use, resulting in higher numbers of grafts, increased hair coverage, more natural results, less damage to the donor area and quicker healing times, which are all better for the patient. DHI have the largest and most experienced team of doctors and healthcare professionals specialising in the treatment of hair loss, operating in 30 countries around the world. Inspired by a scientific board of academics and medical practitioners who are renowned experts in their field. DHI Global Medical Group initiated the industry standard operating procedures and protocols which are applied in all processes to ensure safety and guaranteed results. DHI are ISO certified and registered in the UK CQC. The high standard that DHI maintains is facilitated by educational programs which have been undertaken in collaboration with discipline-related faculties of principal universities in Europe, ensuring the gold standard for our patients.
And I chose DHI because they are trustworthy, honest, and it's all about their artistic talent, their creative talent, and their ability to make you look as natural as possible, like as if whatever issue you had never happened.
DHI are the industry leaders, and I would definitely recommend anybody to go for it.
Go to see DHI, get it done, they are amazing and you would never regret it.
Anyone considering a DHI treatment, I would say just go for it. It will be the best decision you've ever made.
DHI.
Don't think about it, just go with DHI.